Alright, this is waterboarding, new and improved. We are going through 2x6, got a gap, water jug, another 2x6, then 2 more water jugs, another 2x6, and another water jug just in case the bullet actually makes it all the way through to catch the bullet. Here we go. We are not using full metal jackets on these tests. These are all soft tips, hunting loads, things like that, so it should not penetrate all this at all. But there we go. This is waterboarding. 300 blackout, muzzle velocity 1900 feet per second. Energy at the muzzle is 1202 pounds. And this is a 150 grain Winchester Deer Season XP. Again, 300 blackout, doing the waterboarding test. Alright, here we go. Went in, took out the first jug, went into the second board, exited the second board, went into the next jug, and there's that one. Yeah, we did actually catch it. Here we go. That is what is left. The brass was shaved off by the wood. It's a 300 blackout.